my name is Abdurrahman Al-Dosri. I'm a General Training Supervisor. I'd like to talk about the BICSc Training. It's really helped us and it added to us a lot of value of information. The trainer was amazing. He was delivering everything smoothly and easy that we could understand many information that we didn't know before. Thank you, Mr. Hazard.
BICSc Training played an important role for us to ensure and understand the proper way of handling chemicals, wearing PPEs, and how to use equipment.
Really, it's very useful. I first time got BICSc Training.
For me as a cleaner, BICSc Training is important.
So I am very thankful that we received the BICSc Training because it equips us with adequate knowledge in the job that we are doing. Such knowledge enables us to carry out our task in efficient and safely manner.